What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking steamed fish with okra and crackers in coconut milk. Stay tuned. Let me show you how I do my steamed fish in coconut milk. Sister J's way. So here I'm going to wash my fish in vinegar and lime. I already have them cleaned up. Here's a rundown of all the ingredients for my steamed fish in coconut milk. I have water crackers, fish noodles, butter, black pepper, salt-free seasoning, ginger, basil leaf, onion and herbs seasoning, fish seasoning, cayenne pepper, all-purpose seasoning, complete seasoning. Over here I have my natural herbs and spice, onion, scallion, ginger, garlic, pimento, celery, parsley, thyme, sweet pepper, hot pepper, okras, pumpkin, carrots, and of course coconut milk. And here's a group of fish I have seasoned overnight. So here I have the pot on the fire, and I'm going to pour the coconut milk in it. I have 2 cups of coconut milk. And just a little tip of water. I'm going to cover this and allow it to simmer a little before I start to put the ingredients in. Okay, so the coconut milk is bubbling up. Alright, so now I'm going to put ginger and pimento in. And here goes the garlic. I'm going to put some fish seasoning in there. Seasoning up the pot just a little bit. And some complete seasoning. Alright. So now I'm going to put the carrots in. And the pumpkin. I slice the carrots and I dice the pumpkin. Okay, so the pumpkin is a little bit thicker than the carrot because the pumpkin is going to cook before the carrot. So I'm going to simmer this down a little for 3 minutes, then I add the fish in. Okay guys, it's been 3 to 4 minutes. We have the pumpkin and the carrots in here. So now I'm gonna put the fish in. I cut one of the fish because it was too long for the pot. Alright. going to put the onion in. The scallion and thyme and parsley. Some all-purpose seasoning. Complete seasoning. Some more fish seasoning. Ginger powder. Black pepper. Some herbs and spice. And here I put the butter. I'm going to cover the pot and let that simmer down for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to add the rest of ingredients. Okay, my beautiful people, look at the steamed fish. Alright, so now I'm going to put the okras in. I have some cut up and I have some old. And I have the fish noodles here. I'm going to put some in it. I'm not going to use old pot. And I'm not going to use the noodles. I'm just going to sieve it. Good. Guys, this steamed fish smells so good in here. Alright. So we're just gonna go underneath and bring up the carrots and the pumpkin. Okay. And now we're going to put the peppers in. This is the hot pepper. I'm not going to cut it. I don't want it too spicy. I already have the cayenne pepper and the black pepper in it. So I'm not going to cut the hot pepper. I just want to get the flavor from it. Alright. So now I'm going to put my crackers in, guys. Just about 6 crackers. And put 2 more. And I'm going to put a little bit more salt-free seasoning on top of that. And touch the crackers. Just trying to clean up as I go. Then guys, I'm going to cover the pot. And when we come back, we should see the final result of the steamed fish in coconut milk. Okay guys, there you have it. My steamed fish and okra and crackers Coconut milk. Sister J's way. Sister J's way, guys. Sister J's way. Look at that. Yum yum. Guys, you need to try this one. Hi, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Thank you. Be safe. Take care of yourself and loved ones. God bless.